Here we have this 2015 15 plate Mercedes-Benz GLA220 CDI AMG line, premium 4MATIC. Now we do have your LED headlights, the black accents all over this vehicle, part of the Shadowline pack, so you do get the black front splitter and also the black window trim. You do have your panoramic sunroof, your black wing mirrors and black accents below the doors. You have your black window trim and also a privacy glass on the rear. Now you do have your parking sensors and also a rear reversing camera, dual exit flush with a rear bumper and also the gloss black rear diffuser. Now the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially with the grey and the black accents. Looking into the rear, full leather seats with your red seat belts, red accents and also Isofix on the seats. Going to the front, there's a look at the front seat. Both driver and passenger are heated and very, very comfortable seats indeed. Quite easily do 200, 300, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now both are heated electric and memory, come with your electric windows there as well, electric power folding mirrors. Multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if you wish to set the car into manual mode. You also have cruise control speedometer, screen in the sensor where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, rear reversing camera there as well. Heated seats in the centre console with jaws on climate control. You have your 2 storage and also your nice cup holders, soft touch leather armrest, panoramic sunroof just up there as well. Now the vehicle is available to take away today, free contact nationwide next day delivery, HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.